Hi there. Today, we are going to understand. First, what is the Harami cross bullish pattern? Second, how Harami cross bullish pattern is formed? And last, how can you identify the Harami cross bullish pattern in the price chart? Let's get started. What is the Harami cross bullish pattern? Bullish pattern signals a potential reversal in a downtrend. It has two candles, a large bearish one followed by a small bullish or bearish cross candle within its range. It indicates a shift towards a bullish move. How Harami cross bullish pattern is formed? Bullish pattern is a candlestick pattern indicating a potential reversal in a downtrend. It consists of two candles, a large bearish one followed by a small bullish or bearish cross candle contained within the first candle's range. It suggests weakening selling pressure and a possible shift towards a bullish move or trend reversal. Traders may interpret it as a signal to go long or close short positions. How can you identify the Harami cross bullish in the price chart? To identify this pattern in the price chart, I have just opened the HDFC Bank stocks price chart. As you can see, the Harami cross bullish pattern was made in the chart with all the major applied rules, so the market should up, and it does. Conclusion. In a simple way, according to many technical analysts and marketers, if an Harami cross bullish pattern is made, then it's a signal that the market will continue its trends. If you want to get notified about major candlestick pattern, then download the app now.